Assalamu alaikum 9th class. Today's we are doing chapter number 8, page number 178 and 179. Our first topic is latent heat of fusion. Before the definition of latent heat of fusion, you have to know about the fusion point. What is the fusion point? The temperature at which a solid starts melting is called fusion point or melting point. Now our next term is freezing point. This is the reverse process of fusion point. The temperature at which liquid change into solid state is called freezing point. So students, different materials have different fusion point or melting point, but their fusion point and freezing point are same. So if a substance start freeze at 0 degree, then it will start melt from 0 degree. So fusion point and freezing point are same. Our next term is latent heat of fusion. Definition is heat energy required to change unit mass of a substance from solid to liquid state at its melting point without change in its temperature. Is called latent heat of fusion. So students, latent heat of fusion is the amount of heat that is required to change unit mass of a substance from solid to liquid. The temperature from solid to liquid is called the fusion point, and the heat that is required is called latent heat of fusion. It is denoted by HF. The formula of latent heat of fusion is change in heat divided by mass. Latent heat of fusion of water is 3.36 10 raised to power 5 joule. As latent heat of fusion is a heat energy, so the its unit is same as the unit of energy, that is joule. Now we have for the explanation we have experiment number 8.1. In this experiment we have explained in the previous lecture that ice melts from minus 30 degree to 0 degree, and then it converts into water. Before the conversion, the ice and water mixture have same temperature. It has no change in temperature, and then it convert into water, and water change into steam when water start boils. And this is the point at which the ice change into water, solid change into liquid, and this point is called fusion point, and the energy at this point, heat energy at this point, is called latent heat of fusion. So your diary completed. That is page number 178 and 179. Thank you.